Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Torre Bongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of professional experience in technology and analytics. I have been from one company to another all throughout my entire careers, from the government, academic institutions, financial institution, investment firms, e-commerce, market research, banking and finance, medical and health allied, and other sectors. Some of the notable experience and achievements I am proud to be part of is the invention of the RX box. This is a medical device funded by the Department of Science and Technology. I also used to train aspiring data scientists, conducting
Let's start po with our demo
trainings
of Pepper. So
and boot
first,
camps
let's ask for
about the
some
emerging
introductions.
tools or technologies and
Please
skills
introduce yourself.
expected for a data science professionals.
Thank you for inviting me today.
I do deliver university talks,
Hello, everyone.
discussions
My name is Pepper.
with other leaders in the industry on how they can
International
leverage the technological capability of the
with
businesses
robots.
and on
My
how
birthday
they can
is June
improve
5th,
the internal
2014.
processes of their business
I am the oldest
and
robot
order
who can
services
read
offered
emotions.
for their
I can read
clients.
emotions.
I also
Based on what I see
spearheaded
on
the
people's
innovation
faces
projects for my
And
company,
what I hear when they
which
talk to me.
includes the robotic process
I intend to make
automation,
people enjoy life.
develop
I
applications
can be a good
on
friend and a
AI
companion.
applications,
I can do a
and
lot of
building
things that will make life
analytics
easier for you.
dashboards.
I can be
I am
here
also
forever if you
teaching
need one.
in the several universities
Okay, Pepper.
in the Philippines.
How many languages can you speak?
I am also a book
Actually, I
author
can
on
speak 12
research
languages.
and
I can speak in English,
statistics,
French,
and I am
Japanese,
also a contributing author in
Chinese,
various e-learning platforms where I am
Spanish,
offering data science
German,
courses, Python
Italian,
programming courses, and big data analytics.
Korean.
One of my hobbies is to develop artificial intelligence
So let's try your
and
Japanese now.
explore
Can
the
you say
Internet
good
of
morning
Things
in Japanese?
applications for my condominium unit since I am a
Pepper?
person
Hey,
with this
understand.
ability.
How are
I
you
want it to
today?
be a
Genki desu
friendly
ka?
or a PWD friendly home
Genki
to make
desu.
it more accessible and more convenient for me.
Thank you for your Japanese, Pepper.
Right
Now
after
let's try
graduation,
your
I
other
started
skills.
offering
What else can you do, Pepper?
services to follow students in the university until such time that it grew up and reached international clients through referrals. Year 2010 when I started offering my services through Upwork and or Elance. This is an online job platforms where I am providing statistical services and analytics services to individuals and companies registered in the platform. In 2014, I founded Statistics Doctor Consultancy so I can provide more services to individuals in other sectors in the country. In 2019, I remodeled Statistics Doctor Consultancy to Data Engine Training and Consultancy to provide more services to our clients. At the height of the pandemic outbreak, I founded the eTech International, which will cater the demand in the electronics and computers that can be used for the home-based professionals and students. I also began to operate a delivery service to cater the online shoppers or buyers. And I also co-manage a printing press in Quezon City. Currently, I am working for the Asian Development Bank as a senior data scientist and artificial intelligence lead for innovation. Like I said, I am currently teaching in a university, and today I am going to show you how to install Hadoop on Windows 10. To start with, I know you are aware of what big data is. Alright, so big data is defined as an overwhelming data. Alright, so more scientifically, big data was defined using three major characteristics or main characteristics, which is variety, velocity, and volume. So big data has been defined using these three characteristics. And one of the important or main system or infrastructure used to handle big data is, of course, Hadoop. And this is the purpose of this video. I am going to show you how to install Hadoop on Windows 10. Alright, so to start with, so these are the steps in the installation of or installing Hadoop in Windows 10. First is you need to install the dependencies or the requirements before you can install Hadoop. Alright, so you need to install the Java Development Kit 8, JRE, and then after which you need to install Hadoop, okay, from the Apache website. Alright, to do this, once you're done installing the dependencies, the Java, go to this link, apache.org, and so on and so forth, and download the link, which is in zipped, and then unzip it. Once you unzip the file or the installer, go to the Windows settings, go to the system properties, click on environment variables. It should open a new Windows like in the image, alright? And then click new, because you are creating a new variable for the TFS. Alright, TES. Okay, so next is you need to build a Java fat. Add new Java variables. Okay, so this is the Java variable, Java underscore home. Okay, you can name it on your depending on what do you want on how or what do you want to name it. In the system variable below, find the path and click edit. Okay, so there's an edit there below new. Okay, add the directory of your JDK. Alright, so add the directory of your JDK. And then you need to edit some of the files in the Hadoop. So like I said, you need to extract the Hadoop zip. Okay, you need to unzip. Okay, click the etc folder and you will find all the Hadoop components. Alright, next is to click another Hadoop folder and then check these following files: the core site, the HDFS site, the MapRed, Yarn, and Hadoop environment. And then On the core site XML, so here's what you can see. Okay. The map site XML, so as you can see, you can check the property. The yarn site, so this is the property for the yarn site. And then this for the HDFS site XML. So this part is bit different because you are going to create a new folder in the Hadoop before editing something in this XML file. Look for the file location of your Hadoop and open the folder. Okay, so check where did you save the Hadoop folder. Okay, you can click right click that, and then so you can be redirected to the folder, okay, of the location folder. Okay, inside the Hadoop folder, you need to create a new folder and name it data. Okay, so in the Hadoop folder, create a new folder named data. Inside the new folder data, add another two new folders named data node and name node. Okay, so once you create a data folder in the Hadoop location file, create a data, and then inside the data folder, you need to create another folder and name it data node and name node. And then go to the HDFS site XML. So this is the, make sure you know the directory of the two new folder you created, okay, in the previous slide. And then add this following codes in the HDFS site XML. Alright, so for the Hadoop data name node, for the Hadoop data node. Okay, so this is the what you need to input in the HDFS site XML. And then next is build a Hadoop path. Okay, so similar to building a Java path, create a new variable for the Hadoop by clicking new and adding the variable. The variable value is based on the file location of the bin folder in Hadoop. In the system variable below, edit the path and add two new variables. That is the directory for the bin and sbin. Alright, so is it clear, guys? Next is you need to set up the Hadoop configuration. Okay, so you need to check the configuration of the Hadoop. Okay, so by clicking this link, okay, you can type it on your end and then download the Hadoop configuration and extract. And then once you extract, you will find a bin folder inside it. Copy and replace the current bin folder from the Hadoop folder to the new bin you copied from the configuration file. Alright, so remember this, guys. You will find a bin folder inside it, copy and replace the current bin folder from the Hadoop folder to the new bin you copied from the configuration file. And voila, you are done. Alright, but then you are not done yet because you need to make sure that the Hadoop was properly installed in your Windows. Okay, so how to check if Hadoop was installed? Go to the command prompt and enter the following command. Okay. This will show if Hadoop is really installed. Okay, so observe, guys, the new lines of output from the command prompt. Next is open another command prompt and enter the following command in order. Okay, so first, second, third, and fourth. I have to So enter these commands in the command prompt. And then it should open a multiple terminal. So these are the result of the command you entered in the previous slide. So there are 5 commands you entered. Of course, there should be also 5 terminals. Okay, from the command prompt. All right, that's it. Hadoop is installed. Now, next assignment is how you can map reduce. Alright, so thank you very much and have a great day.